Hello and welcome back to How to Make Money Top 10 videos, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to help you make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 tips for using Etrade to invest and make money online. Tip 1. Creating an Etrade account is the first step to using their platform for investing and making money online. To get started, head over to Etrade's website or download their mobile app and follow the prompts to sign up for a new account. During the process, you will be required to provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number, and verify your identity. Once you have created your account, you will be able to access a variety of investment options and tools offered by Etrade. It's important to note that Etrade offers different types of accounts, including individual, joint, and retirement accounts, so make sure to select the type of account that best fits your investment goals and needs. Tip 2. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Etrade platform. The interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, so make sure to explore all the different sections such as the dashboard, trading screen, and watch list. When you first start using Etrade, it's important to take some time to explore the platform and get familiar with the interface. Etrade offers a lot of features, which can be overwhelming for new users. To get started, you should spend some time exploring the different sections of the platform. The dashboard is the main hub of the platform, and it provides an overview of your portfolio and market news. The trading screen is where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. The watch list is a customizable list of stocks that you're interested in tracking. Tip 3. Practice with a demo account. Etrade offers a demo account that allows you to practice trading without using real money. This is a great way to get familiar with the platform and try out different trading strategies. The tip practice with a demo account suggests that before investing real money, you should take advantage of Etrade's demo account feature. This feature allows you to practice trading without using real money. It is an excellent way to get familiar with the Etrade platform and try out different trading strategies. By using a demo account, you can learn how to place orders, track your investments, and monitor your portfolio's performance. It allows you to explore the different tools and features available on the platform without any risk. You can use the demo account to test different investment strategies, learn from your mistakes, and refine your approach. The demo account is a safe space to make mistakes and learn from them. It's an excellent opportunity to experiment with different investment scenarios without the fear of losing real money. By using the demo account, you can gain confidence in your abilities and make informed investment decisions. Once you feel comfortable and confident with your trading strategies, you can then begin investing real money through your Etrade account. Tip 4. Use the research tools. Etrade provides a range of research tools, such as stock screeners, analyst ratings, and financial statements. Make use of these tools to make informed investment decisions. This tip suggests that you should take advantage of the research tools available on Etrade to make informed investment decisions. Etrade offers a variety of tools, such as stock screeners, analyst ratings, and financial statements, that can help you conduct thorough research on companies and stocks you are interested in. For instance, Etrade Stock Screener allows you to filter stocks based on specific criteria, such as market capitalization, industry, and dividend yield. This can help you narrow down your investment options and find potential opportunities. Similarly, Etrade's analyst ratings provide insight into how Wall Street analysts view a particular stock. These ratings can give you an idea of the stock's growth potential and its future prospects. Finally, Etrade's financial statements can provide you with detailed information on a company's financial performance, including its revenue, expenses, and profit margins. This can help you make informed decisions about investing in a particular company. Tip 5. Stay up to date with market news. Make sure to stay up to date with market news and trends. Etrade provides a news feed that you can customize to your interests. Tip 6. Set up alerts. Etrade allows you to set up alerts for individual stocks. This is a great way to stay up to date on the stocks you are interested in without having to constantly monitor the platform. Tip 7. Make use of the mobile app. Etrade's mobile app allows you to manage your investments on the go. You can check your portfolio, place trades, and receive alerts all from your phone. Tip 8. Diversify your portfolio. It's important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Etrade allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Tip 9. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term is a key strategy for building wealth. Make sure to choose investments that align with your long-term financial goals. Investing for the long term means choosing investments that you plan to hold onto for an extended period, typically several years or even decades. This approach allows you to benefit from compounding returns and reduces the risk of short-term market fluctuations. When using Etrade to invest, it's important to focus on the long term rather than trying to make quick profits. This means choosing investments that align with your long-term financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement or building wealth over time. Tip 10. Use Etrade for retirement planning. Etrade offers retirement planning tools such as IRA accounts and investment options. Make use of these tools to plan for your future. Etrade offers various retirement planning tools and services, including traditional and Roth individual retirement accounts, IRAs, SEP IRAs, and rollover IRAs. These accounts allow you to save money for your retirement and invest in a variety of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Etrade also offers various retirement planning tools to help you plan for your retirement goals, such as retirement calculators, educational resources, and personalized advice. Using Etrade for retirement planning can help you save money for your future and invest in a tax-efficient manner. It is important to consider your long-term goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions for your retirement. And there you have it, the top 10 tips for using Etrade to invest and make money online. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos for more top 10 videos on how to make money online.